Halo, halo. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good. Very good. One second. So now you can hear me, right?
Yes,
Okay. So I discussed about SAP modules in Mr. Godwin. He told me that you have finished major portion of an SAP, but first portion you have to finish. First one is asset and accounting, and the second one is bill of exchange, and the third one is currency. And today we are going to deal with what is asset accounting. Okay.
okay.
Yeah, 1 second. Okay, so asset accounting, which means asset accounting is a huge chapter of huge topics of very huge topics of an SAP module. Majority of the questions is related to asset accounting. Okay, so you have to very carefully study this topic. Then only you can understand what is asset accounting and what is the procedure of asset accounting in SAP. So today we are going to deal with how to do and what is asset accounting, what is the role of asset accounting in SAP, and how to create asset master data. All these things I'm going to tell you today. Tomorrow, not from Monday, we have to start with. Tomorrow there is no classes. From Monday, we start with all this problem. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss about what is asset accounting and what is the features of asset accounting and what is the purpose of asset accounting in SAP and how to do asset accounting in SAP. All things I'm going to tell you now. So you're very careful. You just listen this. Then only you can understand. Then only you can do asset accounting in SAP. Because once you do know to do asset accounting in SAP, but you have to understand what is I'm going to doing in SAP. That is why I'm telling some theory portion. So here we go. We have to go with it. Asset accounting. Okay. So listen. Asset accounting, which means asset accounting is also called sub-ledger accounting. It's a sub-ledger accounting. You know what is ledger accounting? Asset accounting is a sub-ledger accounting. It is one of the important sub-module of SAP financial accounting module. Okay, asset accounting in SAP is used to managing and supervising the fixed asset of an organization. What is that? Asset accounting in an SAP is used for managing and supervising only for the fixed asset of an organization. Fixed asset of an organization. So the main purpose of asset accounting is extract the value of fixed asset and owned by the company of particular date. Okay, what is asset accounting? Asset accounting is the sub module of SAP, and asset accounting is used for managing and supervising all the only fixed asset, because we know we have two type of asset. One is current asset and second one is fixed asset. What is the difference between current asset and fixed asset? We can easily we can easily liquidate in fixed current. Within 1 year we can easily liquidate in current asset, but fixed asset we can't easily liquidate. So that is the main reason. So today we are going to deal with asset accounting in SAP. So in SAP asset accounting, we are only managing and supervising the fixed asset of a company. The main purpose of asset accounting is to extract the exact value of fixed asset owned by the company. What is fixed asset? What is the main purpose of asset accounting? To extract the exact value of the fixed asset owned by the company in a particular date. Okay, so in this method we have to calculate it with all these depreciation procedures and all things. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you different types of asset accounting. First one, we know asset accounting can be classified to two types. One is fixed asset and current asset. Next one, asset account on the basis of the possession, we have to classify two types, that is tangible asset and intangible asset. What is tangible asset? We can touch and we can just see. We can see that asset and we can touch it. But intangible asset, which means we cannot touch, like copyright, patent, goodwill, these are intangible asset. Okay, so understood all things? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, so I'm going to ask you some questions about asset account. First one, Manasa, you have to answer this question. What is accumulated depreciation? You know what is accumulated depreciation?
What, sir?
What is accumulated depreciation?
No, sir.
Okay. And Dheeraj, what is salvage value? The J Dheeraj.
Sir.
What is salvage value?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay, so today I'm going to deal with all these things. First of all, I'm going to share my system to you. So you can see my system right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So first of all, just think, I'm just doing a calculation. First of all, an asset we need to purchase, plus like a machinery or building. No, vehicle is enough. Vehicle we need to purchase on rupees 6 lakh rupees. Just listen, just think, that is 6 lakh. Okay, so we purchased in 6 lakh rupees a vehicle, just a vehicle. This is a vehicle is an asset, right? So we purchased a vehicle for 6 lakh rupees. And this vehicle's lifetime is is every asset we have a lifetime. So lifetime is 10 years. Just think like that. Okay, this is lifetime. And this is an asset, and we use this all asset, and it must be have what depreciation, like, so depreciation per year 10%. You just think like that. So we have to find out. We have to find out salvage value. Salvage value. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you what is salvage value. So this asset value is 6 lakh rupees, and the lifetime is 10 years, and the depreciation is 10%. And we can find depreciation on the basis of two types. First one, straight line method. Straight line method. First one, straight line method. Okay. Straight line method. In straight line method, we have to deal with depreciation is 10%. So every first year, we have to 10%, 6 lakh rupees is what is the amount, and we have to find 10% of 6 lakh, that is 6,000, 60,000. Okay, 60,000. So 60,000 into 10 year. Our lifetime is a 10. So 60,000 is to 10 year. Okay, we have to go with 10 into 5 year itself. 5 year. Okay, lifetime is 5 year. So 60,000 into 5 year is equal to 3 lakh rupees. So the depreciation is 3 lakh rupees, and the exact value of the asset is 6 lakh rupees, and depreciation is 3 lakh rupees. In per year 10%, and 10%, the lifetime is 5 year, and per year 10% we have depreciation, and this 10% depreciation is 60,000 rupees into 5 year is 3 lakh rupees. So this is straight line method. Second one, written down value method. Written down value method to say that, one second. First year, the same method. First year, 6 lakh rupees. We deal with the 10% of 6 lakh rupees is 60,000 rupees, and we have to find net value. What is net value? Depreciation minus the value of asset, value of asset minus value of asset minus depreciation. Depreciation is called net value. What is net value? Value of asset minus depreciation. So here 6 lakh divided by 6 lakh minus 60,000 is called, then we can get 5,40,000. Next year we deal with the net value. So next second year we have to go with 5,40,000 10%. Then we get, what is that? 54,000. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So 5,40,000 10%, that is 54,000. and we have to find net value. Net value, how to find the total value? 5,40,000 minus 54,000. So we can get another value. In this method, we have to find written down value. So today we are going to deal with the straight line method. Just think that in depreciation method, we have two methods. First one, straight line method. Second one, written down value method. What is written down value method? So in straight line method, we only deal with only the asset value. But written down value method, we only deal with the net value of an asset. Okay. So here we have to deal with the asset exact value of asset exact value. So 60 lakh into 60,000 rupees into 5 years is 3 lakhs. So we have to find out now the asset value is total depreciation, that is accumulated depreciation. The total depreciation means per year depreciation is depreciation, and the total depreciation is called accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation. So asset value minus accumulated depreciation is equal to what is that? Salvage value. So this is how to find salvage value. Suppose you purchased a machine for 1 lakh rupees, and the lifetime of a machine, you just think that you purchased a machine for 1 lakh rupees, and the lifetime of a machine is that 5 years. Just think like that, and the depreciation is 10%. So 1 year depreciation of 1 lakh rupees is 10,000 rupees, and 10,000 rupees is per year depreciation, and 5 year depreciation is 10,000 rupees into 5 years, that is 50,000 rupees. Okay, the total value of asset is 1 lakh, and depreciation is, we have to minus depreciation. Depreciation minus is 50,000. So now now the value is only 50,000 rupees. It's called salvage value. So you understood what is salvage value? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have to deal with the journal
Sir,
entry.
can you repeat once again the salvage value?
Salvage value, which means purchase. Suppose you just think that you have purchased a machinery for 1 lakh rupees. Okay, just think like you have purchased a machine for 1 lakh rupees, and the lifetime is just 4 years, and the depreciation is per year 10%. You just think that. So we have to find out the depreciation. 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees, 10% is 10,000 rupees. For 4 year, 10,000 rupees depreciation for 4 year, 40,000 rupees. The exact asset value is 1 lakh rupees divided by depreciation is 40,000 rupees. So 1 lakh rupees minus 40,000 rupees. Next, the rest value is 60,000 rupees. That is salvage value, which means as exact asset value minus accumulated depreciation is salvage value. Okay, understood? The asset value minus salvage value is equal to asset value minus accumulated depreciation is equal to salvage value. Sorry. Asset value minus accumulated depreciation is equal to salvage value. You understood? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have to deal with the journal entries of this value. Okay. First of all, okay, can I ask you some question? First, purchase a machinery. What is the journal entry of purchasing a machinery, Dheeraj Kumar?
Purchase to cash.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Purchase to cash.
Purchase to cash. Okay, right. So you have to write journal entry, asset purchasing journal entry. Hello? Just write
Yes, sir.
asset account debtor to cash account, not purchase to cash. Okay. Asset account debtor to cash. Suppose you purchased an asset, you have to say the asset name. Suppose you purchase only goods and raw material, you have to say purchase account. Okay, that is expense, but this is not an expense, this is asset account. So you have to purchase a machinery. What is general account? Machinery account debtor to cash. Purchase raw material. What is the general entry? Raw material not. Purchase account debtor to cash. That is the difference. So raw material or goods, when purchase raw material or goods, you have to say purchase account debtor to cash. But in the case of purchase any of asset like furniture, building, or something like that, you have to say, suppose purchase a building, you have to say that building account debtor to cash, because asset what comes in debit, asset what goes out in credit. So when purchase a building, building is come. So that's why we have to debit building account. So say when asset purchasing, the journal entry is asset account debtor to, what is the name of asset? Any name you can prefer there. Asset account debtor to cash or bank. Okay. Dheeraj, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. Sandhya, tell me, what is the journal entry of depreciation charge?
Depreciation account debtor to cash account.
No, ma'am. It's depreciation account debtor to accumulated depreciation. Okay. What is that? Depreciation account debtor to accumulated depreciation account. The total depreciation is accumulated depreciation, and per year depreciation is normal depreciation. So you have to say depreciation account debtor to accumulated depreciation. Okay. Okay, Sandhya.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So here I'm going to give you some example. Just think like that. Okay. First of all, I have to share my screen. Then only you can understand. Screen share. Just think the machinery. Machinery purchased. Machinery purchased. Okay. What is the, just for 1 lakh rupees, just like that, just for 1 lakh rupees. So you have to put their machinery account debtor to, or purchase machinery account debtor to cash or bank account. Next one, useful life is useful life. Lifetime. Useful life. Useful life is 6 years. Okay. Third one, depreciation per year. Depreciation per year. Depreciation 10%. That is 1 lakhs into 10%, which means 10,000 rupees. Okay. So we have to find salvage value. How to find salvage value? Just think salvage value. Salvage value. Salvage value. So 10,000 depreciation for 1 year into 6 years. that is 60,000 rupees, and total value of asset is 1 lakh rupees minus depreciation 60,000 rupees equal to 40,000 rupees is a salvage value. So after 6 years, your asset is, you are going to sell your asset. So you got what you got 50,000 rupees. You got when sell your asset. The same asset you got 60,000 rupees, no, 50,000 rupees. Is this profit or loss? That is the question. Actually, asset, the machinery's value is 1 lakh rupees. But
Profit,
we
sir.
are considering on in the profit, exact. We are considering on the salvage value. So in the consideration of salvage value, 50,000 rupees, which means 10,000 rupees is profit.
Profit.
Okay. Profit. So profit is 10,000 rupees. So in this procedure, we have to, write our, we have to create our journal entry. So we have to write our journal entry. What is our journal entry? First one, just think. We have to find machinery account, profit of sale of asset, accumulated depreciation, and so we have to find out. First one, we have to find what is accumulated depreciation is an expense. So we have to debit it. Accumulated depreciation account debtor. So we have to debit accumulated account debtor. Then next one, we have to debit what we have to, the sale of asset. What is that? How much rupees we say sold this asset? 50,000 rupees. So bank account. So when we sell this asset, cash come. So cash we have to say debit it. So cash account debtor, cash account debtor. 2. Next we have to go with 2 machinery account. Machinery account. What is machinery account? And 2 profit on sale of asset. Right. Profit on sale of asset. Okay. So we have to put the value. First of all, accumulate. What is the amount of machinery? You have to put here 1 lakh rupees. Okay. And we sold this account for 50,000. Okay, bye. 50,000 rupees. And what is the accumulated depreciation? That is 60,000 rupees. So 60,000 plus 50,000 is 1,10,000. As machinery's amount is only 1 lakh. Baki 10. Balance 10,000 is profit. Okay, this is how to create a journal entry. So do you know how to create journal entry? You understood how to create journal entry of salvage value? This is the answer. Any doubt on this? Hello?
Hello, sir. If it's a loss, the entry will reverse now.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
If it's a loss, then the entry will reverse. Machinery to accumulated depreciation account to cash.
Machinery to accumulated depreciation is cash. Okay, I will tell you that. Now this is also, this is you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That we will discuss about later. Okay. Because we have, first of all, we have to deals with the how to purchase asset accounting and how to deals with the depreciation charging and how to sell this accounting. Okay. You understood? Hello?
Yes,
You
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, okay. Next, we have to deal with the loss of sale of asset. Okay. You think that the sale of asset, we have to just 30,000. So 6 year, useful life is 6 year. So 60,000 is, what is that? The depreciation 1 lakhs divided by 60,000 is 40,000 and sale of asset is 30,000. So 10 lakh rupees is loss. Loss. So in this case, this is a loss method. Okay. So here the company get loss. So in this method, we have to create it as challenge. First of all, we have to create it. What is that? Just think how to create it. Loss of sale of asset. First of all, bank. Just think here we have to profit. Just profit. If the profit, we have to credit it. So loss, we have to debit it. So now we are going to deal with the loss of sale, loss of sale of asset, sale of asset, loss of sale of asset, account is, what is that? Loss is 10,000. So you have to put there 10,000. Okay, not 10,000. And bank account, bank account is 30,000, right? So we have to put there bank account 30,000. And these all are debit, right? Debit, debit. And next you have to put, what is the accumulated depreciation. Account. So also we have to debit. This is 60. No, what is that? Yeah, accumulated 60,000. So we have to two machinery. So we have to put there 1 lakh rupees. So journal entry is tally. This is how to create. Suppose we have to purchase a machinery and sell a machinery, and what is the depreciation procedure of a machinery? All things we have to deals with these two journal entries. Okay, you understood what is the journal entries? Say you have to just write in your note. Then only after that, in going to SAP, we have to deals with all this method. That is why I'm telling you. Okay, so before that, Monday next week, next class we have to deal with Monday, and before that you have to create, you know how to create GL account. Hello. Hi guys, Please answer me.
Yes.
You know. Okay. So before that, 1 second. So from Monday, before the class, you have to create all this account. Okay. In GL account. Do you know how to create all this account? First of all, you have to, in asset, you have to create a land and a building, machinery, and a vehicle. It's all asset account, and accumulated depreciation on building, accumulated depreciation on machinery, accumulated depreciation on vehicle. And you have to go with revenue or income, sale of asset and profit on sale of asset, and go with expense, loss on sale of asset, depreciation on building, and depreciation of machinery and depreciation of vehicle, and scrapping on machinery and scrapping on vehicle. You have to create all these particulars account. Do you know how to create this all account?
Yes, sir.
So you have to create all this account. Okay. I will give you to what is your SAP? Is this your group
Yes.
account?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So I
sir.
put on your. So is anybody don't know to create this one? You have to say it right now. Then only I can say how I can give you to how to give this, to show you how to give this, how to create this account. Okay. Is anybody doesn't know? You have to just say me. Okay. Personally, or also you have to say me. You just WhatsApp in personally. My number is WhatsApp number is 9961. No, 99. Sorry, 9544546406. This is my number. If anyone have any doubt on this, you have to just call me or just text me. I will give you the exact answer. Is there any error occurring? You have to take a screenshot and you have to give me. You have to send to me through WhatsApp. I will give you what is that and what is the error of on that. Okay. So you all know to create how to create these all things, right?
Yes, sir.
So before the class from Monday, before the class, you have to create all this account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is anyone doesn't know, you have to just message me or you have to just call me or just you have, is there any assistance I will give you? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So from Monday, we have to deal with the practical session. So just think, first of all, I am give you one demonstration to how to give this account. First of all, just think. 1 second. Your server is EC2 or ER2? What is your server? Dheeraj?
EC2, I guess.
EC2, sir.
EC2.
EC2. Okay. Give me one ID and password. Anyone have your own ID and password? Give to me one ID and password.
Sir, type Anirudh. Sir.
Okay, client is 700 or
700.
700. Anirudh.
Yes, sir. ANIRUDH.
ANARUD.
ANIRUDH.
ANIRUD. And password
EME
EME
at the rate
at the rate
123.
at the rate
123.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to slash 1 second slash n.
Sir, you are
Yeah.
not sharing the screen.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Today, here I'm going to FS00. 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 I have to go with it. So, INA. So, Anirudh, in your account, I am going to create one account. One account. Okay. Just listen how to create this one. So, first of all, I am going to create a land. Okay. So, land we need to create. So, we have first of all we open your account 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 account you created. So, next one, fifth. So, creation option, click, and you have to type 5. And ANI is your company code. Just click. So, it will apply here. So, just 1 second. Okay. So, first of all, land is, what is that? Is balance sheet. So, we have to land is an asset. Click on balance sheet and put here land. And same sum. We have to land and just local currency. Don't type your local currency on here. So, you don't need local currency. And reconciliation, accumulated reconciliation, what is asset? So, you have to take here asset account. Okay. And display line item display. Put line item display. What is display? Display means line item display. And sort key is 018. Okay, then go with the field status. Bank, go with the bank create interest. What is fields? G067. G067. That is reconciliation account. Okay, G067. Put, you have to create. Control S, save. So, okay, account group. First of all. Okay. My account group is asset and save it. This is how to create land. Next one, sixth one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we already created. Next one, 6. So double click on here, just put 6 and it will be reactivated. And this is also building is a asset, just asset and a balance sheet. So put here asset and put on balance sheet. We have to put building, BUILD, building. And the same thing we have to type here too, building. Next, click on control data. Same thing, no need local currency. So don't click on local currency. And the reconciliation account is asset. So reconciliation account, for account type you have to type here asset. And line item display stick. So you have to click on line, and sort key is 1018. You have to put 01. 8. Okay, and field status group is G067. G067. So you created second land to just enter it. Okay, so create building account also. So this is how to create all these accounts. So here you only your doubt is maybe that is this one, that is reconciliation account. Okay, what is reconciliation account? Here reconciliation account for account type. Here you have to asset all this asset account here. Okay, this is how to create all the things, right? Is any doubt to create asset account or accounting to create GL accounting?
No, no.
No, no, sir.
Okay, so today class is over. We can deal with. Is morning, is you okay with you? Morning time?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir. We
And
No,
have to
sir.
take college.
Okay. So we can deal with 7 o'clock every day. Evening 7 o'clock we can start our session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So Monday we can start with 7 o'clock with our asset accounting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I hope you understood all these topics today. I am taken, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
thank
what
you.
is reconciliation account, sir?
Reconciliation also I will tell you later, because we have a topic within reconciliation account, which is just think like that. Just think like that. And suppose you are an accounting manager of a company. Okay, so you give the purchase manager 10 lakh rupees for purchasing. Okay, I'm only based on the SAP. This is only based on what is reconciliation is SAP. That's I am going to explain it. You are the Anirudh, you are the accounting manager of a company, and the Dheeraj, you are the purchase manager of a company. So Anirudh, as an account manager, Anirudh give you 10 lakh rupees for purchasing the raw material to Dheeraj, because Dheeraj is a purchasing manager. Okay. So Anirudh put journal entry, that is purchase account debtor to cash in 10 lakh rupees. Same time, 80% tax is deducted. So 10 lakhs into 80%, 1,80,000 rupees tax is gone. Okay. But Dheeraj going to purchase all this raw material, but he has only 8 lakh rupees. So 2 lakh rupees he give back to the Mr. Anirudh. But Anirudh is already put the journal entry for this 10 lakh rupees. So 2 lakh rupees, 18% GST is lost. That is maybe his salary, 1 month salary. Okay. So in this case, we have to deal with the dummy account. Is called a reconciliation account, like advance purchase account. So we can the original account we can't edit and we can delete it. Okay, we can delete, but the account, once you put journal entry, it will always be live. So we can't edit and we can alter that one. But reconciliation account, you can edit, you can delete, you can do anything, because it's not supposed to be the original account. This is dummy account. These are reconciliation account. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Is anybody have doubt?
No, sir.
Hello? No.
No, sir.
But the real accounting, what is reconciliation accounting? Reconciliation accounting is based on banking, because in real accounting, real financial accounting, we have banking chapter, and reconciliation accounting is in banking, which means we have cash book and a passbook, and we have to just equalizing these two account is called reconciliation. Okay, but this in this real account, but SAP in reconciliation account, which means dummy account. We have to edit. That is why in dummy account we need dummy date. That is why we put extra period, 4 period. You know, when we create a fiscal year variant, we have 4 special period. This 4 special period only based on reconciliation account. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So Anirudh, you got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
And Vinay Babu, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Saukya.
Yes, sir, I understood, sir.
Saukya.
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
Okay, okay. And Anirudh.
Yes, sir.
Manasa.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Manasa. Dheeraj Kumar and Jay Dheeraj. Both you are
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I understood.
Okay, okay. And Anusha.
Yes, sir.
Sandeep.
Understood.
Okay. So, guys, if you have any doubt in SAP, you can text me in WhatsApp. Okay. And Jennifer and Sandhya, you all are, and I hope you all understood. Okay. Deepika. Deepika, yesterday you absent, right? What happened?
Yes, sir.
What happened here?
Sir, I have some work, sir.
Is there any busy schedule, Deepika?
Sir?
Sir, Deepika, I can't hear you. Please say once more.
Sir, I have some work, sir. So,
Deepika, please be come to the class. Then only you can understand the SAP. Okay. Once you miss this class, you will be not able to not understand this first class. That's why I told you, please don't avoid this class. If you once you avoid this class, you have to just see that recordings. Okay. Deepika. Okay, bye guys. Today the class is over. Okay, bye. Good night. Dheeraj. Anirudh.